So this guy's taking off in 2.9. He's got a pretty strong headwind. He's taking off into a pretty strong headwind. And again, it's November 14th, 2022. It's about 12:30. And this is a private jet. Shoot. Where is he? There he is. He's up. Heading south. Too cold up here for him. It got really cold today. Went below freezing last night. And right now it's like 40, 41 or something like that, 42. So some guy woke up with his wife, some rich guy woke up with his wife this morning. She said, I want to go to Miami. And he says, okay, honey, let's go get in the jet and go. Well, they're heading south. You're going to miss out on all the pond hockey, dude. We're going to have like 5 days in a row of freezing temperatures here. There'll be pond hockey going on. Bon voyage.